BimCAD is a useful tool if you want to make sure that your measurement points are at the right plane. Beside of that, you can use the BimCAD app as an orientation when you have a floor with several rooms. You get to the user interface when you open the app. Here you can see the last edited projects. By clicking at the Hotscan symbol, you can create a new project. Now you can name the project, add an address to the project, and other important information like pictures and notes. You get to the next step by clicking on the green arrow. In this step, floors can be determined, individual rooms can be provided with detailed information, or the scanner position can be recorded. The remote control function can be used when you click on the remote control function. Before you click on the Wi-Fi symbol, make sure by going to the settings of your device that your device is connected to your Hotscan. On the right side, you can turn the Hotscan, the light and the laser on and off. You can start the scan process with one click. When the scan is done, you can view the 360-degree panorama. If necessary, you can now put some extra measurement points. You can put the extra measurement point, for example, to design window frames in detail. For this purpose, place the Hotscan manually on the right spot and finish the process by clicking on the target symbol.